Family owned and operated, Skagit Plumbing provides professional plumbing services to residents of Snohomish, Island, Whatcom, and Skagit counties. Our expert plumbers can diagnose and repair any problem with your home or office plumbing system in a timely and affordable manner. Skagit Plumbing specializes in water heater repair and installation, including tankless water heater systems. We also complete faucet and fixture installations, toilet repairs, sewer and drain cleaning, fixed dripping faucets, and so much more. The courteous and knowledgeable plumbers from Skagit Plumbing pledge to be on time for every appointment, and all work is backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call Skagit Plumbing today to schedule an appointment or click to our website to learn more about our services and see our special offer.